This episode dives into the Rimac Nevera, a hypercar that redefined electric performance with brutal acceleration and precision engineering. From cutting-edge battery chemistry to advanced torque vectoring, Nevera showcased how software and hardware fused to conquer speed. Design boss and founder mate Rimac became a symbol of European tech optimism, turning humble ideas into a global lifestyle. The car propelled charging networks, battery cooling, and lightweight materials into mainstream conversation while influencing mainstream electric race tech. As a milestone, it foreshadowed a future where electrification meets track legitimacy and high-end craftsmanship.